In this demo, we will learn how to install a chart schema. The first step is you go to this getup.oraclesamplesdbsamples.com website and then click on the code. Once you click on the code, then click on download zip. It will download all the HR schemas. I'll go to this, unzip the file, and then you have this. There are multiple schemas that are provided by the Oracle. From this, we are interested in human resources. We will use hr_install.sql to install the schema. We'll open the SQL Plus. Type command and then SQL Plus. Enter username as sysdba and hit enter. You don't have to provide any value for the password. Then to execute the script, before you execute the script, you need to set oracle_script is equal to true. And then iterate, copy and paste this, hit enter. Enter a password. I'll give the password as HR, table space as users. Do you want to override? Just hit enter. Now it has created this. The HR schema is created.